Today's recipe is cheesy Tater Tot Meatloaf Casserole. Okay, we're just going to make our sauce, which is just basically barbecue sauce and some ketchup. Now you can use any kind of barbecue sauce that you have. And we're just going to combine these together. And we'll stir this all up. This is just such an easy sauce to make for this recipe. You could use homemade barbecue sauce. I just use some from a jar. Set this aside and then we'll grab our ground beef. You could use ground turkey or ground chicken. And then we're going to add our crushed crackers. You could use breadcrumbs if you like. Then we're going to add 2 packages of onion soup mix. We'll add in our eggs. And half of that barbecue ketchup sauce. And I'm just going to mix this all together. Add some red peppers, but you could just add any kind of vegetables you like. And we'll mix this up with our hands, just to make sure everything is incorporated well. Once we get this all mixed together, we're going to transfer this to our baking dish. I sprayed a 9 by 13 baking dish. This is a great recipe that you could use for an evening meal or even bring to a potluck dinner. Put this into our baking dish. Then we'll just press it in so that it's even, so that it can evenly cook. Then we're going to spread the rest of our barbecue ketchup sauce on top. This recipe really takes no time at all to assemble. It's just the cooking time. You need about an hour or so for that. Spread this evenly over our ground beef mixture. Then we're going to layer our frozen tater tots on top. I use a whole bag for this recipe. Then we're going to sprinkle our cheese on top. And you can play around with whatever kind of cheese you like. I'm just using a cheddar and mozzarella mix here. But you could add Monterey Jack, you could do a Tex-Mex. And then after we sprinkle this, we're going to just add a little bit of bacon bits on top. We'll cover this pan up and we will bake it in the oven at 350 for about 35 minutes. Then take the foil off and then we will bake it again for another 40 minutes until the ground beef is cooked all the way through. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, which will make it much easier to serve. Enjoy! Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.